I am going to teach you how to use BioDigital HUman. So you will log into human.biodigital.com and create an account. That's not what we'll be talking about right now, though. I'll teach you about some of the tools that we can use. It's a great resource for learning human anatomy. So first of all, something that you can do is you can actually choose to add or remove certain organ groups. So I can take off the muscular system here. If I click on that little bar, I can take out connective tissue, the endocrine system, lymphatic system, and it'll leave behind whatever I choose, which is really helpful. Another cool thing that you can do is you can actually dissect things in this application. So we will just have the cardiovascular system turned on for this. So I'm just clicking all of these. Perfect. Then we will click and zoom in on the heart. So you can see I click this dissect thing right down here. It looks like a little scalpel, or you can click Control X and you will get a scalpel, and then you can actually cut into the different layers of the heart and see some things you couldn't see before, like some of the tricuspid and the mitral valves in there. So that's another really helpful tool. You can also pin certain structures, and you can put definitions in here. So if I wanted to pin, let's pin the aorta right here. I just click on it, and then you drag. Sorry, that is not working. All right, perfect. So then you can drag it out to the side so it's not right on the model. Hold on 1 second. Alright, so I dragged it out to the side. You can see that right here. And then we'll just go ahead and type in our name. So we can write aorta, and then underneath we can actually write a description of what this does in the body. So we'll just put enter description here. Perfect. Okay, and as you pan and move the body, it'll stay pinned, which is really nice. Then you can even have it quiz you on the system that you're looking at. So if you turn on different systems, it'll include those in the quiz. So we'll click Quiz Me. You can select the number of questions, and then it'll highlight something, and then you simply submit your answer. And then it'll tell you if it was correct or incorrect. And then it'll tell you at the end what score you got on the quiz. Then finally, another really cool thing is you can actually explore different conditions. So aside from just the regular model that you can look at the anatomy, if we go back to the home page, which is what I just did, you can search for anatomy and condition models. So let's say lung cancer. We type that in, and it gives us a tour of lung cancer, unless it is premium content. One that I know for sure we can do is kidney carcinoma. So if we click on the model and wait for it to load, it gives us this presentation. Basically, it just goes through the stages, and so you can click on each number, and it'll take you to the next stage. This is a stage 1 tumor, and it has in the top right or top left, it explains what a stage 1 tumor, what is going on in the body, and when it is confined in the kidney versus when it creeps onto the renal vessels and things like that. So that is a brief explanation of the tools on BioDigital HUman.